All right, good morning. We are finally here at Irwindale Speedway for the invasion of Los Angeles. And behind me is actually a really gorgeous sunrise. And we're going to be getting prepared. We got the booth getting set up right now. And we're going to be waiting for vendors to come in, roll in, get them checked in. So you'll see the B-roll of that. We already discussed what we need to do regarding to some of the tasks. But I'm very excited to showcase what the community is like out here in the West Coast. I know the movie that we're going to be making is definitely going to showcase that, but I'll take you guys behind the scenes. Miguel, what do we got going on today?
Listen, so right now we're doing a bunch of setup right now and everybody's going crazy.
Yep.
So that's what it's about.
Yeah.
See you soon.
Yeah, we'll see you on the footage. But the team right now is setting up the tent, setting up the flags. I'm sweating. It's gonna be a good day. It's gonna be overcast, so the footage is gonna be absolutely killer. So I'm gonna grab my camera and start filming some B-roll for you guys because it's gonna be absolutely nuts. All right, so one of the coolest things is seeing these vendors set up, seeing how excited they are. In a little bit, we're gonna be probably talking to a few different vendors and also people that's attending the event. One of the coolest things is that you see vendors from all different parts of the West Coast. I've seen the name of Parts Score up in Arizona, and I've seen them and I have to see the cars in person. They're actually pretty dialed in. All right, so we got Brian here, right? And Brian, where are you from and what brings you here to Irwindale?
Thousand Oaks, California. I'm here at Irwindale to support Bimmer Invasion, the biggest, the baddest show in Southern California. They're taking over from the East Coast and I'm very happy. Shout out to Miguel for making it happen. And my man over here, you know, he's doing their thing. And
yeah, I'm sweating.
You can see he's working overtime and it's a beautiful thing. I was talking to Miguel years ago and he finally came down to LA and it's such a blessing. Much love to Miguel.
And what does it mean to be part of the BMW community? Like, what does this show mean to you?
It means a lot because you know what? They ended Bimmer Fest and now it looks like this is going to be huge right here. I already came over here and there was a huge line and it's very organized. These guys are very professional.
I got chills hearing that, and you know what it is? Like, to be able to put all this time and get no sleep to hear this, and we want to make sure that these events are absolutely incredible for you guys because we know you spend time and money coming here. So again, stay tuned, ton of footage. It's probably gonna be a multiple series video, so just enjoy the B-roll. All right.
There you go, there you go, there you go.
So we're here with the guys at Edelweiss, all right? And what do you think so far?
Awesome. Can't wait for the event to start. We're pumped. We see so many people pulling in now. It's going to be huge.
What do you think as comparable to the East Coast? The West Coast definitely brings it hard.
Yeah, for sure, for sure. East Coast, I mean, it was the first event that we did so far in the U.S. Thanks for inviting us.
No problem, anytime.
And that was awesome already, but I think this is going to be even bigger.
I'm telling you, the guys at the West Coast do not play around. There's some East Coast mixes, right? Some guys that brought their cars over to the West Coast, but West Coast, you guys showed up.
Yeah.
All right, we'll catch up with them later.
Thanks for having us.
No problem.
Take care.
All right, so we got some familiar faces here, right? Introduce yourselves.
I'm Samantha. I'm Too Small on Instagram.
Got Giovanni, F80Geo.
And what the hell are you guys doing in California?
Invasion and Bimmer girls. We're out here representing from all the way from Jersey, and we are so excited.
Bimmer love, that's it, baby. That's all we could do.
And then I asked a couple people, like, what does an event like this mean to you?
It means more than cars, honestly. I came here to Cali, you know, we have no really true friends or family out here, and everyone made it feel like family, from, you know, staying at places to borrowing cars. Like, got an E36 M3, E36 M3 for the day, and it's amazing.
Yeah. And
Great connections. We're here for the connections, the networking, making new friends out in Cali.
Exactly. So again, it's good to see familiar faces, and I just looked up and it's packed. Look at that, it's packed back there.
And it's getting hot.
It is getting hot. You know,
So-
Ken's sweaty right now, so.
Heating up for the day, baby.
Yeah, I'm glad the rain held up, but the overcast is definitely gonna make the videos look really good, so.
Car's looking crispy too.
I know, I see that. All right, stay tuned, guys. So what do we got going on?
We got the invasion of Los Angeles. It's absolutely crazy right now. Leave me alone.
All right, we have Freddie from Bimmer's Only LLC. If you guys have been watching the series throughout our growth at Bimmer Invasion, you definitely know them because we went to Texas for the invasion of Dallas, right? And Freddie, what do you think so far?
Phenomenal. Look at this place. Jesus Christ. I've never seen so many BMWs in one place. Amazing.
Have you seen builds like this in Texas?
No, not like this. Not like this. This is just spectacular. It's crazy.
That only means that you guys need to show up at his shop for some more mods.
We got it. That's what we're here for.
Exactly. But Freddie, we appreciate you coming out all the way to Los
Absolutely.
Angeles.
Happy to be here. Happy to be out here.
And so I've been asking people, right? Being part of the BMW community, or what does a show like this mean to you?
Man, it just means that there's a lot of BMWs out here, and man, it's just the culture and just being around it is a way of life. That's really what it is. It's a way of life. I love it. I wouldn't do anything else but this.
And he's M addicted. But I'll catch you later,
Yeah,
brother.
Take it easy, dude.
All right, so we got Luis, aka Mercy, and what do you think about the event so far?
So far, so great, man. First time California's had something like this in a long time, and I'm glad you guys came from the East Coast to put this on, so very excited, man.
And what do you think about the West Coast community? Because I can tell you this, I've been saying it earlier, you guys showed up.
I mean, hey, we roll deep. And no matter what, Arizona, Nevada, California, we came from Sacramento, brought about, I'm not joking, 70 cars down.
Oh, really?
Yes, all M's. So,
what I can say this is that when you go out to the West Coast, you see some East Coast vibes because some people have trailered their cars here, which is absolutely insane. But you're Mercy, I'm sorry?
Yes, Mercy on Instagram, M5RCY.
Okay, and then what else you got going on for your car?
She's pretty much done, I think.
Done? It's never done. There's always something to do, right? You're gonna walk around here, you're gonna see other people's mods, you're gonna be like, I need that next.
Honestly, probably a custom tune.
Okay.
Maybe down the road and maybe some other wheels.
Yeah. Well, it was nice chatting with you.
You as well, brother. Thank you so much, man.
We'll catch up.
Thank you for putting this on again.
No problem.
We'll see you soon.
So we got like a little reunion, right? So I guess Checkmate M4 knows Instagram name again.
HPF.M3.
And so what do you think about the show?
Man, amazing, bro.
The show hasn't even started yet. So this series of videos is gonna be broken down to probably 4 or 5 different, maybe 3 or 4 videos. So, but what brought you down to this event?
Man, just the love for BMWs, man. That's what it is.
What does this show do for you then?
Man,
it's been a while since there's been a BMW show, right?
Exactly, yeah. We've been anticipating this, man. Next year, we're definitely going to come see you out there, though, man.
Oh, absolutely. Orlando?
Yeah, Orlando, man.
Come through.
And then Checkmate 4. What do you think?
I mean, this is great. I mean, it's awesome to be back in California again. I got to see friends of mine that I've known from SAC back 5 years ago, so it's great.
And then what do you think?
It's amazing, man.
Yeah.
It's amazing.
The weather is good. It's a nice overcast, so it makes the video look absolutely incredible. But I appreciate you guys coming out.
Hey, thank you, man.
I'll see you guys around.
Oh, for sure. Of course.
All right, brother. Nice meeting you. Got 2 people from the Bay Area, all right, and so how long did it take you to get here?
It took me like around 4 or 5 hours.
Yeah,
from the Bay Area.
Same thing, 4 or 5 hours, you know, smashing 120. No, I'm just playing. You know, we go 65.
Exactly. Yeah. So what do you think about the turnout? And I guess the West Coast hasn't had an event like this in a while, right?
Yeah, it's crazy. It's crazy.
Well,
a lot of cars. For sure, from the Bay, we don't really have that much cars come out like this.
Really? So was it worth the drive?
Hell yeah.
For sure, for sure.
This was like a last minute. He texted me like what, Thursday. Hey, bro, Bimmer Invasion. We gonna leave Saturday night. I'm like reading this at 7. I'm like, oh no. And then I got into the car. I was like, actually, we going, bro.
Exactly. So the people that didn't show up today, what do you have to tell them?
Bro, missing out, bro.
You gotta come out, check it out.
Beamers, bro.
A lot of enthusiasts, a lot of modded cars. It's where it's at, for sure.
We will be back next year. I appreciate you guys coming out, man.
Right on.
All
right, brother.
All right.